Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Object Detection using Lidar module, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project which you will learn more about while working on it. Here we show the concept of light detection and ranging to detect an object. This LiDAR module used in the project sends laser pulses and calculates the distance of an object using the time of flight. The key parts used here are VL53L0X LiDAR sensor, Arduino Nano board, voltage regulator, stepper motor driver module, rectifier diode and LEDs. This circuit can widely be used in robotics. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.